Hello friends, my name is Anavi and today I am going to narrate the story of the cicada and the fox. One hot summer day, a fox was walking through the woods when he heard a cicada singing on the top of a tree. "Oh, I am so hungry. That cicada will be a great meal," thought the hungry fox. "But it's too hard. How can I catch that cicada?" thought the hungry fox. Soon she came up with an evil plan. "Hello there, what a melodious song. Your voice is beautiful," said the fox. "Thank you. I am glad to hear you liked it," replied the cicada. "How about I give you some fruit and you teach me to sing?" asked the fox. "You want me to come down there?" asked the cicada. "Why not? I want to hear you a little closer." Without thinking even once, the cicada said, "All right, I'll be coming. Soon something flew down from the tree. Without seeing what it was, the fox gobbled it. "Thuh, thuh, thuh. What is this? Leaves?" "I knew it. Did you think I'd fall for your trick? I once saw a cicada's wings in a fox's poop. I haven't believed foxes since then. No way I'm getting down there." The fox went away from there starving. The moral of the story is to become wise by learning from the misfortunes of our neighbors. Thank you.